Good morning. My name is Carolina Castro, attorney at law in the firm Ramirez Castaño Abogados in the area of commercial law. The purpose of today's interview is to gain an overall perspective and learn how effective our firm has been in meeting our clients' needs in Colombia's cultural, legal, and commercial environment. The purpose is, through a series of questions, we will be able to enlighten many of our clients' inquiries. So here with us today, we have Mr. Danny Hatfield. He's a United States citizen. How are you, Mr. Danny?
Just fine, thank you.
Good. Thank you so much for being here with us today. And we do have a couple of questions. And the first one is, can you please tell us what are those services that our firm has offered?
Yes. Well, I chose to live in Colombia with my family. And I came here to do a business structured around the production of art glass. Mm-hmm. And I didn't really know how to structure that alone. So, working with Ramirez Castaño Abogados, I was able to get a good understanding of how to structure my business, how to define it, how to acquire visas that allowed us to, my family and I, to live here legally and pay taxes. And also we wanted to have a residence here, so with the help of the firm, we were able to acquire a property and build a house there, a beautiful house with a view that doesn't end. And he made it very easy because it was very foreign to me.
So he made it very easy, the negotiation process for acquiring a property. And here it is important that we let our clients know that we have helped many clients, not just foreigners, in the process of negotiating properties in order to avoid litigious disputes. And before you mentioned that we also helped you out in requesting Colombian visas. Is that correct?
That's correct. It was a process that, once again, I wasn't familiar with.
Mm-hmm. How was our firm helpful to you? Can you explain a little bit about that?
Well, yes. We provided the documentation that was requested, mm-hmm. And then Nora Vasquez flew to Bogota and took care of it for us, and afterwards explained how it was done, where to go, what to do, and the next time we renewed our visas, we could do it ourselves. So it was very instructive and helpful, and also empowering. Great.
So did you feel very involved in the whole process? All these steps through requesting the Colombian visa, did you feel like we were always in contact with you through the whole process?
Yes, of course. We had many meetings in your offices, and it was very instructive and very helpful.
We're glad. So basically, in consideration of the services that we have provided, what is your level of satisfaction with those services?
On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, I give you a 9.9 because you don't serve coffee.
We don't serve coffee. We don't serve coffee because it's COVID. But thank you very much. We're very pleased to hear that the firm has been able to advise you through a series of years, and that your feedback is so positive. And we do pride ourselves in having a trust pact with all of our clients and attempting to provide strategic solutions and integrated solutions for each of their problems. So we want to thank you for being with us here today. And maybe do you have any additional final comments today?
Well, I do. In fact, I'm in I'm in a new incarnation of my life in Colombia.
Tell us about that.
So I'm restructuring my business, and it's a lot easier this time. So that was why I'm here, just to talk about that. And so we've started a new process to begin my new life in Brazil. In Colombia, pardon me.
So you feel confident in giving us other services and continuing with us?
I came back, didn't I?
Yes. Good. We're very glad to hear that. Basically, thank you very much for all of you following us today. And remember to follow us on our social media and consult us in any of the areas of law that we do practice, which is commercial law, labor law, civil law, international investments, and many others. Again, this is Carolina Castro, attorney at law. We hope that we do solve many other clients' inquiries and be able to help many other externationals, such as how we helped out Danny. And we hope to have many other videos that we can have positive experiences. Please remember to follow us again. Thank you so much, Danny, for being here.
And thank you for having me. It's been very, very pleasant as usual.